Craig from TruckSmart Isuzu here in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Here to show you a 2017 Ford Transit that we just traded in from a local customer. It has around 67,000 miles on it. V6 engine with the gas powered. You'll notice it has a Versalift bucket that's on it. It has a 29-foot reach, 34-foot working height, and a 23-foot horizontal reach. You walk around the other side. I can show you inside. You'll notice inside that we have a power inverter here so that you can plug other equipment into it. You have your remote control for your bucket. And then this was also upfitted with interior LED lights and shelving all the way around. All right, you'll also notice, like I said it had 67,000 miles. It actually has 62,000 miles, my mistake. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, rear camera in the rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth capability, air conditioning and heating vents. It's a really nice, clean trade-in truck. Also wanted to remind you we're having an August amazing sale event going on this month, coming up. This truck was just marked down to $67,000. I can be reached at 215-946-7221, extension 102, or you can call me anytime on my cell at 215-939-6689. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video today.